Are you ready to see an experiment today?
Yeah!
What are all these things?
For experiment!
This one is called bicarbonate soda. Bicarbonate of soda. It's from the supermarket. And what is that?
Candle.
A candle. And what are these?
Matches!
Yes. And matches are not for you to play with, only for grown-ups. Careful not to spill our soda. We've got the packet opened up there. And what we're going to do, it's white powder. Can you see that powder?
I'm going to
Alright.
pour it.
It looks like sugar, but not yet. Wait a moment. What we'll do first, we're going to put this candle in the... Oh, this... What is this?
That's a big pot.
Yeah, and we made it from an old plastic apple juice bottle, didn't we? Just by cutting the top off. So you can make your equipment just by getting some old plastic bottles and cutting the top off. So what we'll do, we'll get this cup, we're going to pop it in here, then we're going to put this candle on top there.
Where we have to match it in.
Then I'm going to light that candle.
Why, Dad? For what?
In a moment, you'll see. But maybe before we do that, we might do something a little bit easier.
I like it.
Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of... Oh, what's this stuff?
It's a big bottle.
It's a big bottle of vinegar. Now careful, don't get that in your eyes because it'll sting. Put a little bit of vinegar in our big plastic tub.
You want some sugar?
No, yeah, we'll just put a little small amount and watch carefully what happens. What's going on there?
Wow. It's steaming up.
Steaming up. We call that fizzing. Yeah. It's
like
making little bubbles, isn't it? Can you see all the bubbles?
Yeah. It's like a pretending lemon juice.
Yeah. Or a lemonade. Yeah. Yeah. It looks like lemonade, doesn't it?
Now doesn't we have to use the match?
Is it still bubbling?
It's still bubbling. A little bit.
A little bit. Alright. Okay. And what I'm going to do, just try something.
The matches?
Careful of the matches. Watch out. When you match, always strike away because little sparks can fly off. So we'll strike this way. Look out, Teddy. Can you see what's going on there, Ted?
He's not here.
He's very quiet. I'm going to light a match.
Oh, not on Teddy, Dad.
Oh no, look out, Teddy.
Careful.
I'm just going to put it in here and see if anything happens. Oh. The match went out, didn't it?
Oh.
Very strange.
Now, Dad, we're going to put the cup inside.
Alright, I'm going to put this candle down in here. Right, I'm going to try
Be careful.
to light that candle.
Now light that candle. That's going
Right.
to be nice.
I'll see what happens.
Teddy's going to be so excited about this.
Hopefully I'll be able to light it still. Let's try and see what happens. Okay.
Careful,
Yeah.
be careful, not out.
I'm using extra long matches for this experiment. Okay, it's lighting alright. What we're going to do, we're going to just put another spoon. Oh, is it going to go out? Just put another spoon in there, not on the candle, in the vinegar. Alright. The candle's not looking too healthy, is it?
No. Let's try another match.
Oh no, it's going alright. Still going.
Now what do we do now, Dada?
Well, you never know with an experiment what's going to happen. That candle's still going fine.
What's we going to do
It's even
now?
going better than it was before. Well, let's try a little bit more bicarbonate of soda. Pop it in the liquid. Don't put it on the candle. Oh.
More, Dada?
Maybe I think we need a little bit more vinegar this time. Let me pop a little bit more vinegar in there.
Alright.
Okay.
Careful.
Watch the candle.
It's filling up!
Something's going on. Candle is
Lighting down.
oh so slowly going out. It's gone out.
So let's try that chicken.
I'll try lighting that candle and see if I can light it. Put a match, nicely burning match. Don't blow it out.
Sorry, Dada.
Don't put it down in there. It went out.
Sorry, Dada. Let's
Try
try
again.
another one. And again.
Try again. It went out again.
Oh, Dad, let's try one more time. Getting a lot.
Something going wrong with our experiment here. One more.
Dad, that's going.
See, if I put it down there, there's no problem. I can put it in a cup. Keeps burning. But when I put it in here, it just goes out.
Let's try again, Dada. We're getting a hot and Danny experiment again.
Well, what? We might have discovered something here. Something interesting. It seems. Oh, you want a bit more in? Alright. Not fizzing much, is it? Just a minute. Try this. Not too much. Just try a little bit more vinegar in there. Oh, it's bubbling a lot now.
Going to be the best sugary and sitting there with a bit of sugar, Dad.
Not too much. Okay, now let's try and light that candle again.
But it'll do it
You
best.
think we can light it?
Yeah, be careful.
What? Did you blow it out?
I didn't.
No blowing. Did you blow it out, Teddy?
No, he didn't.
Okay. Did you blow it out, Mama?
No.
No.
I didn't never.
I didn't blow it out. Well, look at that. We'll try again.
I got to put a little bit of sugar.
Oh, no, no more sugar. Look at that. It won't go. It won't stay going.
Let's show what you.
Is that magic or what is that?
Oh, Dada, we're going to be a horrible sifter.
Well, I'm trying to light my candle again, but it doesn't want to go.
Oh dear. Waiting.
Well, I wonder what's really going on here. It seems that those bubbles, you see those little bubbles of gas, Celine? They bubble up and it makes an invisible gas that fills up the whole container. And that gas is different from normal air, because in normal air your match burns, no problem. Look at that. Or I can put it in a container, it's still burning, no problem. But when I put it in this one, it goes out immediately.
Let's put a little bit of sugar.
A bit more sugar. Oh, okay, one more. Now, what is going on? I think we might have to go into our classroom to talk about this. I'll just try one more match and see if it still works. No matter how hard I try, I can't light that candle. Do you want to come to our classroom now? Yeah. And we'll talk about it on the whiteboard. I'll draw a diagram, it's called. This is our container. And then we put some vinegar in the bottom of the container. So that is the vinegar. And then we dropped in some bicarbonate. And the bicarbonate, we'll just call it soda. Bicarb soda. And then what happened? All these bubbles. Do you remember those bubbles?
Yeah.
The bubbles came up. And that made an invisible gas. And that gas was rather special. It was actually heavier than air. So it just, as more and more bubbles came up, the gas fills up the container from the bottom, just like filling a cup full of water. But you can't see it. It's invisible. But how do we know it's there? As soon as you put a match in there, a burning match, as soon as it gets below the level of that gas, as soon as the gas comes up to the level of the match, suddenly it stops burning. Okay, and then you can try again with another match, put it in there. It might be burning here because there's plenty of air, but down here, this invisible gas, it won't allow the match to continue burning. Now that invisible gas, by the way, it's called CO2 for short. We call it CO2 or carbon dioxide gas. And that gas is very important to know about in science. Okay, carbon dioxide, it is heavier than air and it does not support combustion. Burning objects will be extinguished if they're surrounded with carbon dioxide gas. So that's all for today.